You're looking to start on YouTube, but you need some ideas for a channel. That's what I'm here to help you with today. 25 channel ideas. Here we go. Hello, welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, your YouTube certified expert, and I'm here to help you with your channel topic. Number 1, talk about your hobby. Maybe you like anime, maybe you like jogging, maybe you collect things, maybe you're a wrestling fan. Tell us about it. 2, teach us about your job. What do you do? Why do you do it? Tell us every fine detail about it. 3, share your family life. Who do you live with? What do they do? Have you got kids? Do you go out on weekends? 4, share an illness. Do you have a medical condition that you're struggling with? Is there tips and tricks that you find that is going to get better? Maybe it's something you've been diagnosed with and you want to show us along the way. Or 5, document that journey. Are you planning on losing weight? Are you planning on saving up money and buying your very first home? Maybe you're doing up your home and you can show us all of the DIY that you want to do. 6, movie reviews. Everybody loves movies. Old, new, latest, classic. 7, TV shows. Are you reviewing all of TV, or are you going to pick one thing and you're going to be the Stranger Things expert? 8, gaming news. Cover the industry. Tell us what they're doing. Talk about E3. 9, play a game. Once again, it could be any games, or you could become the Fortnite expert or the Destiny 2 expert or anything. Pile in. Get specific. Teach people. 10, music news. Now, this could be the industry. What is Justin Bieber doing? Why is BTS there? Or dial in specifically to your favourite artist. Tell us about Papa Roach. Tell us about BTS or any of the K-pop era. Maybe talk about Rihanna, or I don't know, I'm old. Number 11, maybe you are the music artist. Why not upload your own content? Maybe upload your own original pieces or create some fantastic covers that twist and show off your skills. 12, be your local champion. Go and review your local restaurants. Go and review your local attractions. 13, maybe be a drone channel. This is your way to show everything that's around you. Some beautiful scenery, sunsets, some sunrises, some farmyards, some landscape. Maybe even offer your footage for free, some kind of B-roll. That way you're getting to see your work on other people's stuff and you can see what people are doing with it. 14, be crazy. Go sporty. Jump off things, bungee jumping, skydiving. Go snowboarding with your drone. Let it follow you. Make eye-catching, sporty, weird wow. 15, be calm. Do mindfulness. Teach people how to center themselves, how to calm themselves, how to give themselves 5 minutes of peace in this wild, crazy world. 16, motivate them. Get them up and running. Give them something to push them way forward, to lift them up when they're in a bad mood, or to focus on that end goal that may be 2-3 years away, but finally they've got the motivation to go for it. 17, talk about your mental health. Maybe you're depressed, maybe you're stressed, or you have tips for dealing with anxiety or anything else. Let it out. Let people help you, help them in return. 18, healthy eating. Teach people how to cook healthy meals, maybe even teach them what a calorie is, make them understand the whole nutritional macros and micros that are required to keep your body going. 19, cooking in general. Maybe you can dial down into your regional delicacies. Maybe, in my case, they can show you how to do Bakewell tarts and Yorkshire puddings, or you can teach them fine Mexican cuisine or hidden gems that you've never seen before that you want to share, that family recipe. 20, tips for students or people of your age range. So in the case of students, you can teach them the things that you need to be wary of when moving into student accommodation, things that you need to buy, things you need to be wary of on Freshers' Day, study tips and that kind of thing. Or if you're slightly older, you can teach them how to look at their mortgages and their finances and how to look after your health once you've hit 35. 21, fitness. Teach them how to warm up. Teach them how to warm down, show them some exercises. Or specialise in one specific skill. You could be the next person that teaches high intensity training online, or aerobics or spin classes online. Channel idea number 22, teach people about money. How to save money, how to make money, how to invest money. 23, vlog your life. I'm a big fan of Gary Vee. He always says document, not create. So maybe show them how your life is going forward. Do you have an interesting life? Show people what you're doing at the weekends. If you're good at telling stories, this could be the best way for you. You can tell people what you did in your past and invite them into your life. 24, react. You can react to other YouTubers, you can react to other trends, you can jump on trends and topics. Everyone loves memes and drama, right? Number 25, languages. Are you learning a new language? Do you want to teach another language? Maybe you want to help people understand the difference between them. Here's a good way to do it. Set up your YouTube channel, feed it to the camera. For more help on starting your YouTube channel, I've done a playlist right here. Go out there, start creating.